Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore authority backlinks using HARO pitching workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. Start your HARO pitching journey by signing up at Help a Reporter Out's website. Once you're signed up, familiarize yourself with the platform and its emails. You will receive daily emails containing media requests from journalists. Identify your niche and the topics where you can contribute valuable information. Scan the email subject lines for relevant requests that align with your expertise. Open the requests that resonate with your knowledge and experience. Craft a compelling pitch for each relevant request. Start your pitch with a brief introduction about yourself and your qualifications. Clearly address the journalist's query, providing actionable insights or data. Keep your response concise and to the point, aiming for 3 to 4 paragraphs. Include relevant personal experiences or case studies to support your points. Add your contact details and a link to your website or social profiles. Double-check your pitch for spelling and grammatical errors. Submit your pitch by replying to the email with your crafted response. Follow up with the journalist if necessary, but ensure you respect their timelines. Keep track of the requests you respond to and their outcomes. Maintain a regular pitching schedule to increase your chances of success. Leverage your existing network and promote your contributions when published. Continuously refine your pitching strategy based on responses and outcomes. Over time, you will build strong relationships with journalists who value your expertise. This process will help restore and enhance your authority backlinks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.